Hello, my friends. It is club time. What is club time? It means it's the first of the month. That means we are releasing our brand new Stamp and Die Hard stamp sets. Now, Stamp and Die Hard die sets. I'm so excited. You know what? The Die Hard Club is our most popular club. But if you're new to the Stamps of Life and you're not sure like how we roll or how we work or what's going on with this crazy chick that just moves her arms all the way all the time, well, just join the Stamp Club. That will get your foot in the door. That will get you all of the benefits, and then you can start to learn more about us and then fall madly, deeply in love with us and want to stay forever. But to start, you can do just the Stamp Club. Now, some people say, oh, Stephanie, that's great, but I am not going to use my scissors to try to cut those out. Well, then you need to join the Die Hard Club. The Die Hard Club is our most popular club. Are you ready? Get set. I think I'm madly, deeply in love with this one. I'm just saying. Okay, here we go. Thoughtful flowers. Now, this one was, yes, there's a stencil, my friends. Make sure you go to the website. But let me show you. So here we go. You have this fun picture of flowers. You have solid flowers. You have stems. You have insides of the flowers. You have water to put in the picture, right? You have a cute little bow to add onto it. You have get well, hi, flowers to brighten your day, warm wishes, happy birthday, heartfelt hello. Now, here's the trick, my friends. This has 1,000 different things. You just don't realize it because get well wishes. These are all separate. You could say get well wishes, warm wishes, birthday wishes, warm birthday wishes, warm heartfelt wishes, happy birthday, happy warm birthday. The choice is yours. You get to go on and on and on. I can't even imagine how many different variations you can come up with. So I made the stamp separate so you'd have more opportunity to use this stamp set. Now, Stamp Club members, boom, you're getting this stamp set sent to you automatically, $13.99 a month. That includes everything. That includes shipping. That includes the brand new stamp set that I design new ones every month. But wait, there's more, because some of you do not like to use scissors, and I understand. I do not either. Dun, 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 dun. You are getting the dies that match. So here we go. We are getting the dies that match. We are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I couldn't count. 10 dies total. So some of them you don't need the shadows because that would be kind of weird, but you're getting all of the dies that you need to die cut this any which way you want. Now, you're getting the inside dies and the shadow dies, but wait, my friends, there is so much more I can't wait to show you in the next video. So make sure you stay tuned for the next one because it's very, very important, especially because there's a limited edition stencil. I know. Okay, of course you get a handy dandy postcard as well. Die Hard members, this is the most popular one. If you're in my Stamp Club or my Die Hard Club, they are on their way to you. Ken gets up extra early every time to get them in the mail to you right away. Let's jump in and let's look at some of our samples. Keep in mind, my friends, keep in mind, these are only a small fraction of my samples. Check out the next video. I'm going to have way more samples for you along with all of the add-ons that you can purchase as optional items that are currently on flash sale for a limited time. Here we go. Boom. Look at how gorgeous this is with the medallion background, the motif background, sorry. How beautiful is that? Look at how fun that is with those cute little flowers. Thinking of you. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, here they are on a stand-up. And I can't wait to show you, my friends, how different each of the designers did these. We don't give, when I send these to the designers, I don't give them strict instructions. I want to see how creative they can be on their own because creativity needs to be able to be creative, right? So I love how they did these all a little different. We're going to look at that in just a second. Here we go. Oh, window. Get out your window cards. Remember our window dies? We had that as a club set not that long ago. If you don't have it, get it now. But look at how cute this is with the window die. That was a club set not that long ago, my friends. Here is a cute one. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love that. That is with, oh, that's a sneak peek for the stencils. What? I shouldn't show you that, but I did. Woo. Okay, here's another one. Hello. Our hello, fold it, love it. Now, I want to really quick look at how different these All these bases are, because it's important to see the different ways you can do this. Number one, oh, first of all, hello, the bow is cut out of our felt. I love it. But here's the cute little flowers. The stem is stamped, and then die cuts are added to the stems. Here we go. We have the picture. We have it all stamped with just little extra pieces die cut on top. Here we go. Just stamped, and the shadow die is used to die cut the cute little flowers at the top. Here again, same idea, but with the extra pieces on the inside. There's so many different ways to do this. So many, so many, so many. Now, if you're in the club, oh, you get to breathe and say, oh, good, this is already on its way to me. I don't have to worry about getting it. It's good. It's on its way already. You need to go check out, all of you need to go check out our website for the flash sale items, because let me just tell you, my goal is to knock your socks off, and I think I will this time because of that stencil and all the other options. And flip it card. Did I say that out loud? Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.